Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we explore the most stunning luxury homes, dream estates, and extraordinary properties across the United States. Today, we are touring an incredible luxury estate located in beautiful Fayetteville, Georgia. Get ready to experience elegance, space, and modern living all in one breathtaking home. As we arrive at the property, the first thing you notice is the grand exterior presence. This luxury estate sits proudly on approximately 1 acre of land, offering privacy, space, and a true sense of prestige. The architectural design combines timeless sophistication with modern luxury, featuring warm brown tones complemented by elegant golden accents that immediately create a welcoming yet upscale atmosphere. Walking up the driveway, you are greeted by a grand entrance that sets the tone for the entire home. The landscaping is professionally designed, giving the property a resort-style feel even before stepping inside. Large windows allow natural light to flow throughout the home, enhancing both beauty and energy efficiency. Now let's step through the front doors into the stunning grand foyer. The moment you enter, you are welcomed by soaring ceilings, elegant finishes, and a spacious open layout. A magnificent chandelier hangs above, reflecting warm lighting across polished floors and creating an unforgettable first impression. The staircase design adds architectural drama, making this entrance feel like something straight out of a luxury movie set. Moving into the main living room, comfort meets sophistication. This space is designed for both relaxation and entertaining, featuring expansive seating areas, large windows, and a modern fireplace that acts as a central focal point. The brown and gold color palette continues throughout the interior, creating warmth while maintaining a high-end luxury aesthetic. Whether hosting guests or enjoying a quiet evening, this living space offers the perfect balance of elegance and comfort. Next, we enter the gourmet kitchen, truly the heart of the home. This chef-inspired space features premium appliances, custom cabinetry, and a large marble island perfect for cooking or casual dining. Golden hardware details elevate the design, while modern lighting fixtures add a contemporary touch. The open concept layout allows seamless interaction between the kitchen, dining, and living areas, making it ideal for gatherings and family moments. Adjacent to the kitchen is the formal dining area, designed for memorable dinners and celebrations. A beautiful chandelier hangs above the dining table, creating an inviting atmosphere perfect for entertaining guests. The space feels refined yet welcoming, ideal for both formal occasions and everyday luxury living. Let's head upstairs to explore the private living quarters. This home features 8 spacious bedrooms, each thoughtfully designed with comfort and style in mind. The primary suite stands out as a true retreat, offering generous space, elegant finishes, and large windows that bring in natural light throughout the day. The design emphasizes relaxation, making it a peaceful escape from the outside world. The primary bathroom feels like a private spa, featuring luxurious finishes, a soaking tub, walk-in shower, and premium fixtures. Every detail is crafted to deliver a hotel-style experience right at home. In addition to the bedrooms, the home includes multiple bathrooms designed with modern elegance and functionality. Each space maintains the same luxurious design language seen throughout the property. Now let's check out one of the most exciting features, the home gym. This dedicated fitness space allows you to enjoy workouts without ever leaving home. With ample room for equipment and mirrors, enhancing the sense of space, it's perfect for maintaining an active lifestyle in complete privacy. Heading outside, the backyard transforms into a personal resort. The swimming pool area is designed for relaxation and entertainment, surrounded by comfortable seating and open space for gatherings. Imagine summer evenings spent here with family and friends, enjoying luxury living at its finest. The outdoor TV lounge adds another level of entertainment, creating the perfect environment for watching games, movies, or simply relaxing under the open sky. The garage offers generous space for multiple vehicles while maintaining a clean and modern appearance, blending practicality with luxury design. Overall, this Fayetteville estate delivers an exceptional combination of size, style, and comfort. With approximately 8,000 square feet of interior living space, 8 bedrooms, and beautifully designed entertainment areas, this home truly represents modern luxury living. Thank you for joining American Dream Mansions on this incredible home tour. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another luxury mansion tour. Let us know in the comments what your favorite part of this home was. Until next time, keep dreaming big, and we'll see you in the next luxury tour on American Dream Mansions.